Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. What is going on, everybody? What is going on? W's in the chat. If you can hear me, let's go. W's in the chat, chat. If you can hear me right now. W's in the chat if you can hear me. Okay, we got my guy MJ in the house. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's flipping do this. Who's ready for a nice breakdown? First and foremost, guys, what we're going to do is recap. We're going to recap on yesterday's position. We call this trade live. This was a nice 1:3.27, and I told you guys that's my lucky number, 327. So of course TP had to be hit. What do you mean? TP had to be hit because that's our lucky number. Let me in the chat. Let's take a quick look at gold before we do any more breakdowns. Yeah, so we said gold is going to sell until we find a nice buying position. It sold off a little bit, but now it's buying up. Okay, so overall, like I said, I'm still bearish on gold until these nice little order blocks get hit. Okay, bearish on gold until those order blocks get hit. Simple as that. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to log this trade into our trading journal. One of the best trading journals you'll ever see in your life. Okay, so let's do this. First and foremost, we take a screenshot of the trade itself. Okay, we take a screenshot of the trade itself. Now let's navigate over to the 5p trading journal. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna log that trade in. So this was GBPJPY. We're gonna call it GBPJPY. Market open. Buys, not guys, but buys. Bang. This was on Sunday night. The pair was GJ. G unit. The session was Asia session. The setup, we're gonna call this a reversal setup. Okay, so on this trade we risked 1%. This was a nice win. This is a nice one. It's a 3.27. Did I follow my rules? Of course I did. How was I feeling? I was feeling confident. I wasn't even calm. I was feeling confident. So now, quick screenshot. Boom. So on this one, 3,000. 720 beans in the account. Cha-ching. Easy. Easy, 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 easy. So every trade you take, you really want to just journal the trade. Okay, guys? As crazy as it sounds, trust me, it works wonders. Because now, as you can see with this 5p trading journal, we're able to track our trades. We have a lot of wins, no losses. One trade we did violate, but it was still a win. And obviously now we can see the trades by the sessions. Boom, 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 boom. This is what I'd like to see. And the calendar view. So this is a new week. So we have NFP on, but NFP buys on GJ. So this should have been logged in for Friday. So you can even just drag and drop. Boom. So that trade has now been journaled in a 5p zone. So as you can see, when we're opening up the charts, guys, we need to just speak life into ourselves. And the first thing we have to do is have just a quick identity statement. So this statement goes as follows, yeah? If the text is too small, let me just zoom in so you guys can see this live and direct. All right? Say this right now. Write it down. Take a screenshot if you have to. I am a disciplined trader who follows my plan, respects my limits, and learns from every trade. Consistency over emotion and process over profit. Let's flipping go. Okay, now that's been covered. Let's take a look at the charts now. Yesterday we called this. We were ready. We knew price was going to boom, 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 do what it's going to do, yeah? So right about now, GJ, talk to me. What's happening? Okay? As you can see, we have a zone of resistance. We broke above, bang. We even marked this out on the other chart here. As you can see, we had our arrows. First arrow, second arrow, first arrow, second arrow. So really and truly, we are in a range. Price is ranging. It's going sideways. Let's take it there. Yeah, so that's that. So what do I think is going to happen with GJ? I'll be honest. I think we're going to sell off for Asia session. That's what I think. I think GBPJPY is going to sell off for Asia session. And bear in mind, I'm just on the 1 hour time frame. I'm not on any other time frame, just 1 hour right now. So even on the 1 hour, we can see resistance. We broke above, bang. This could be a false break. It could be whatever it is. Although price is bullish, we need to be aware of the overall move. And the overall move is you had an impulse, we have a range. Okay, so we have swept 1, 2, 3. Price might still be bullish. However, right now, the last 1, 2, 3, 4, the last 5 hours, bearish candles. What does that say? It says a lot. All right. So It looks like there's a lot of volume down here. There's a lot of volume chilling. Chilling. There's a lot of volume chilling right here. Boom. Let's dissect. So right about now, guys, question. I've got a question for you guys. Are you guys bullish or are you bearish on GJ? Because this sell that I have planned out, we're looking at 50 pips. 50 pipperoos. So right now we can see price is making lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high. Personally speaking, I think there's an opportunity right now. There's an opportunity. For price to slightly buy, tap into this region, and murder she wrote. Let's go. So yeah, bearish overall right now. This is a bearish opportunity. It's a bearish opportunity. So now let's mark out a few things. Let's mark out today's highest point. Wouldn't got in that trade with you, but don't have a clue how to. You don't have a clue on like how to enter a trade or what's up? Talk to me. The same low as yesterday. Sirens outside. And at the same time, so here's another reason why I'm bearish, right? I can draw a trend line. Boom. I don't want things to get a bit messy though. So that's why I didn't draw this trend line. But I'll draw it. I will draw it for now. You see that trend line? We had tap, 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 break, retest, gone. Tap, tap for revenge. You know that song, Tap, Tap, Revenge, that game that used to be on the iPhone? Boom. So check it. We were buying all day today. Buying. Be broken below this zone. Price goes boom and sell. Murder she wrote. So that's that. That is that. Boom. And what I love, we don't have to add anything else. We don't have to force anything else. If this trade is valid, it'll be valid. If it's not valid, then it's invalid. Simple as that. So this is the setup for the night going into tomorrow. What you guys think? Are you rocking with this? So this has a 22 pip stop loss. Let's round it down a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Let's make it 17 pips. So this is GJ 3-minute time frame. So as you can see, we've got bang, lower low, lower high, lower low, slight lower high, new lower low, lower high, new lower low. Just come to us, and then bang. And if I take this to the side, look, price action. Price action says we're bearish. So technically, let's be bearish. W's in the chat. Let's go. W's in the chat from William. All the way from Nigeria. We got people from the UK, Ireland, Nigeria, America, everywhere. How are you doing, William? How are you doing? You know what? Today we're feeling generous. I'm feeling generous. We're going to do a nice 10K giveaway. We're going to give away 2 10K accounts. How about that? Stay to the end of the stream if you want to win this 10K account. Let's go. And thank me later too, guys. Like, I didn't have to do this, but I'm doing this for you guys. Yeah, 2 10K accounts up for grabs. Stay to the end of the stream. So yeah, this is GJ. 3-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. We don't have a clear setup, so it's valid on the 3 and the 5. This is valid on the 3-minute and the 5-minute. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to the 5-minute. I'm going to take a quick screenshot of this. Quick screenshot. Now let's go to our trading journal. And let's log this trade in. So we're going to scroll down. We're going to scroll down our trading journal, right? And now we're going to go and click new trade entry. You can do this too, guys. If you want access to this trading journal, let me know. So we're going to call this GBPJPY Asia Sells. Today's date. We really only ever trade one pair, and that's GJ. Sometimes we trade US 30. So this setup is a simple break and retest. Bang. So let's fill it in. 1% risk. There's no results just yet, so we don't know if it's a win or a loss. Okay, it's a 1:2.8. Following the plan. Emotions before this trade, I won't lie right now, I'm not feeling confident, but I'm feeling calm. Okay, no mistakes just yet. And let's just take a quick, we're going to paste the screenshot there. And that's that. The trade has been logged. It hasn't been triggered yet, so if it doesn't get triggered, I'll add a quick note saying missed entry. Something like that. Okay, so for now, it's just an empty trade. Boom. And as usual, once our trades hit 1%, we're going to put our stop loss at break even and let the trade go risk free. Great work. Let's go. 10K, that's lit. Exactly. So if you want the 10K, just stay to the end. This is what we do here on the FundingRock side. We got a lot of people watching from Twitter today. Too bad there's no live Twitter chat. So guys, the Twitter people, we can't really communicate right now, but shout out to you guys watching right now on Twitter. So next up, we're going to take a look at Forex Factory. This needs to be your best friend at all times, right? So the filters I have for this is literally medium impact and high impact. Only for Euro. Actually, it shouldn't even be Euro. I don't even know why that's ticked. So for GBP news, for JPY news, and for USD news. Bang. That's it. So tomorrow we have CPI. This trade, here's how I'm going to envision tomorrow for you guys, yeah? We're going to stream as well, CPI. So it's going to go a bit like this. Take profit gets hit for the sells on GJ, right? We're all going to wake up blue profits, TP hit. That's 2 for 2, yeah? And it's only Monday, by the way. Tuesday comes. We're going to wait until CPI comes out. We're going to hit that stream. Bang. I'm going to give you guys another A1 setup. We're going to be 3 for 3. Wednesday, the 13th. 13 is my other favorite number. Okay? So yeah, I even have it tattooed on me. So 13, bang, 3 for 3, even 4 for 4. Thursday morning, we're going to stream London session. So you guys better set your alarm, wake up early. Okay? Then after that, we've got core retail sales, amazing, and unemployment claims. This is a great week to be trading. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. So yeah, GJ has been broken down to my best ability. I don't want to keep talking about GJ. So somebody, whoever's watching right now, comment down a pair you guys want us to break down. Gold is currently cooking, so we kind of want to stay away from gold, but yeah, we could take another look, I suppose. So yeah, comment below. What other pairs shall we look at? Hello, let's go. BTC USD. Okay. Bitcoin. I barely ever look at this. Not even going to lie. This is a random thing to be looking at. Random. So random. This is Saturday. Oh yeah, and Bitcoin Bitcoin be trading like crazy times. Bitcoin be trading. Okay. Right off the bat. Let's read. Let's read the charts. Let's read the charts right now. Let's read it together. So we're going to do a top-down breakdown. We're going to go from the weekly all the way to the lower time frame, yeah? Let's do this. Wow. I don't even have to say anything. Just wow. You know what? Let's just delete everything on this thing. Just delete everything. So we have nice price action. Like we're making higher highs and higher lows. We're impulsing, we're correcting. So let's mark this out. Forex Factory still on screen. My bad. Okay, boom. Bitcoin. Right? From August 2023, it's safe to say we've been bullish. True or false? True. We've been bullish since August. However, a year later, nearly 2 years later, September hits. Now we're bearish. Yeah. And that's just the weekly time frame, by the way. So now if we're to mark this out, we have low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Then look, boom, we have a new low. We have broken this structure here, and we have broken this structure here. Let's make that more straight. Boom. Sorry. We need to be bang this low. Now we have a new lower high and a new lower low. So personally speaking, I think Bitcoin is bearish. Dobby's in the chat. Exactly. I think Bitcoin is bearish. So since we made a new lower low on Bitcoin, we're forming a new lower high. Where is price going to retest, you might be asking? Let's find out. Look, we have a zone here, and we also have a zone here. So it's safe to say Bitcoin should be bearish at some point. I'm not saying today, I'm not saying tomorrow. I'm saying don't be surprised if Bitcoin begins to sell off. With a nice beautiful zone on our Fibonacci. And guess what? We're watching this on the weekly time frame. So imagine, just imagine you enter this on the weekly with the nice 1:3, right? So imagine how great it might be to go into the lower time frame and even find a better entry. And now your stop loss will be even tighter. So I'm going to get rid of all these lines. They're kind of distracting. We understood what happened on the higher time frame, so there's no need for us to keep most of these lines here. It's just a visual thing. Some people are visual learners. So as you can see, bang, 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 bang. So now on the daily time frame, things are getting interesting. I'll be honest. I would buy Bitcoin. Reason being, now we're going to have to get a little bit more intricate with Bitcoin because now we're going into lower time frames. So look, daily time frame, we're doing the opposite. We're making higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We've just made a cheeky higher high, and now there's a cheeky higher low. Okay? So overall, we're bearish. But now, I think price will buy to this region over here. Bang. 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 Stop loss just below these wicks. 1:3.32. That's what we're working with right now. I don't even have to go into the 4-hour, but let's do it. We're doing a top-down analysis. We are clearly bullish. Okay? We are clearly bullish. The daily entry might have been missed. I'm not going to lie. So there is no 4-hour entry right now. So let's jump into 1-hour time frame. See. Okay. 1-hour time frame. Right here. So price will most likely sell. Oh, excuse me. Price will most likely sell to this area. So at this point, we can catch our buys. So now we can actually reduce our stop loss a little bit to match. So our take profit was all the way up here. Reason why we chose this take profit, there's things in the market, you know, there's imbalances, there's a lot of things. So now we're getting a little too messy, so we'll leave it at that. But this is my Bitcoin projection. I'm trading what I see, not what I want to see. I'm trading what I see, not what I want to see. So this is now at 1:4. It went from a 1:2, 3, 4. Crazy, right? Absolutely crazy. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. So yeah, don't have to do any decorative talk. And this dog is snoring like crazy. Snoring like crazy. Wake up. Wake your ass up, doggy. So yeah, that's pretty much that. We have broken down GJ. GJ has a lot of potential, I'm not gonna lie. And the thing is, it might hit stop loss, it might not, but it's okay, because we need to understand that every single trade that you are trading, it's a risk. Yeah, everything is risky. It's risky business. So just be comfortable enough to say, you know what, this 1% I'm okay losing. And if I'm okay losing it, I shouldn't have any emotional attachments to that trade or to the numbers on the screen. Okay, so yeah, that's that. So the stop loss number here for you, William, is, let's make it kind of even, 88485. And the thing is, I'm not going to spoon feed you now. You can see the thing on the screen. Take a screenshot on your phone. Yeah, I'm not going to hand it out to you. It's on your screen right now, the same way it's on the screen for everybody else watching. Yeah, but anyways, this is the setup. So you need to go into your chart yourself, see if it aligns with your trading plan. Not mine, but yours. Respectfully though, respectfully. Okay, so GJ, Bitcoin, boom. We've got GJ, we've got Bitcoin. Looks like GJ is already selling. It looks like GJ is already selling. Oh. Oh. It's okay. Sometimes we miss opportunities, but sometimes you got to be patient. Patience pays, guys. Patience always pays. So yeah, I think today, guys, it's simple. It's GJ's day. It's Bitcoin. And like I said, gold, we're playing the patience game with gold. Gold is going to sell. And when it sells, I'm going to tell you guys, I told you so. I told you gold is going to sell. All this gold is doing right now, it's all what I like to say, decoration. Literally, it's all decoration. New York session, it was buying, so trust me, Asia, it will sell. Asia session, it will sell. And yes, pretty much that sums it up, guys. That sums up today's stream, right? In the meantime, what I want you guys to do, I did you guys a solid. I'm also going to give away 2 accounts. Don't think I haven't forgotten. So, we just dropped a new video. Let's run this video up, guys, yeah? How the trading plan every trader needs. Plan, you're not trading, you're gambling. And the truth is, a lot of gems was dropped on this video, guys. It's a nice 5-minute video. Just 5 minutes of your time is all I'm asking for. 5 minutes of your time is all I'm asking for. Just come, drop it a nice like, and yeah, take notes as well, because real shit was spoken on this. Real shit was spoken on this. Okay, so now giveaway time. Giveaway time. W's in the chat if you're still here, so I know who I can select for the giveaways. 2 accounts up for grabs. Let's go. 2 10K accounts. But first, I need some W's so I can see who's still watching, who's still tuning in, so I can select you guys. The faster you do it, the better. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So we're gonna do a nice drum roll. Nobody. First person to post that W, it could be yours, it could be yours. Let's go. Okay. We have MJFX.95. Oof. What a time to be alive. So I'm just gonna put your names here on screen, yeah? So the first winner, of the giveaway, MJ, whoops, MJFX.95. And winner number 2. Man, you have one long ass name, but let's do this. Winner number 2. Dara Molaki Kelomo. Dara Molaki man. Let me just say D. Dara Mola Kelomo. Man, I don't know if I'm saying your name right. If I'm saying it wrong, man, I don't even know. But I'm just gonna write down Dara, okay? Respectfully. Don't want to mess up your name, so Dara M. Yeah. Plus, the stream is recorded anyway, so everything's good. Thank you, kind sir. No problemo, no problemo. Who knows? Tomorrow we can do another giveaway. We might do 4 accounts. Yeah, let's do 4 accounts tomorrow. How about that? For the unfortunate that didn't win today, we're gonna do 4 accounts tomorrow. Doris, my English name. All right, Doris. Perfecto. Okay, so what I want you guys to do, like I said, head over to my YouTube account, to my YouTube channel, even FundingRock channel. This is uploaded on both channels, by the way. Yeah, drop a like and even drop a comment. Thank you. So the winners of today's stream, I need you to either message me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram handle here, 5p trading _ message me on my Instagram, hey, I won the giveaway, and prove you are who you say you are. 1. And 2, in the meantime, while you wait for your account, I need you to go to FundingRock's website and create your account details. This avoids, you waiting and there's no account, there's no email address. How can we give an account and you don't even have an account with FundingRock? How can you do that? Okay, so you need to be prepared. So the minute, if you don't have an account with FundingRock, sign up now, have your email ready. So the minute you send me your details, instantly, the second I let the guys in the back end know these are the 2 winners, boom. However, if they can't find your email, we're gonna have to keep going back and forth, and I have to ask you, hey, did you send your email? And we don't have time for that, guys. We don't have time for that. We're here to catch dobies all day long, and we're here to try help. Okay, so yeah, I've said it now. Message me on Instagram, hey, I won the giveaway, here's my email address, and I've signed up for FundingRock. Easy. Tomorrow, CPI, let's do this. GJ, you're going to buy up a little bit, and we're going to catch those sells. Bitcoin, same goes for you too, okay? Even if they don't play out, it's Gucci. It is actually Gucci, but we'll find many opportunities inside the markets. The markets presents opportunities all day long, yeah? I'm leaving it at that, guys. Thank you so much for joining today's stream. I really appreciate it. And yes, blessings on blessings. This week is going to be a crazy week inside the markets. And I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.
That's it, traders. So if you're ready to take your evaluation, you can go in the link in the description. You can start today. But if you're here just for the content, then make sure you like and subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on the future. Best of luck.